Hello, welcome to the Autodesk Revit course. This is lecture number 4, and in this lecture we will cover everything about the walls. First we will be draw a wall in the ground level, from the ground level to the level number 1, and the other we will be drawing from the datum to the foundation, and the depth. So for this, in order to draw a wall, first go to the structure tab, and here you see the option wall. So select this one, and here you see this is a generic wall of 8-inch thickness. So you can change and select any other wall here as well. So for example, I want to draw a retaining concrete wall and the depth from the datum to the foundation. So I will select this one, and from the edit type, here you can change the thickness. Let me show you this. You can make a duplicate of this as well, and you can directly change here it as well. So I will recommend that you should do this in the duplicate option. So duplicate this, and I will name it as 10-inch thickness, because I will be adding a 10-inch thickness retaining wall. Okay, and here now change the structure of this wall. So this is the thickness, this is only 1 feet, so I will make this 10-inch. Enter, and here you can check the preview that how it will be, and now click OK. Okay, so we will be with this wall. Now the retaining wall is 10-inch and it is concrete wall. So here now, right now we are in the ground level, and the default option is the depth. So we will be constructing this in the depth from datum to the foundation level, and we will make this connected. Right now this is unconnected, and its height or depth is 10 feet. So we will connect this to the foundation level. So this will automatically trace the depth, that is the 5-inch. Now just start drawing this wall. So I have to draw wall. I will draw in this manner. So let's finish this. I will not be adding other component of this wall. Now let's check it in the 3D view. Select the default 3D view. So this is, now let's check it in the side view. So here you see this this wall is drawn from the datum to the foundation in depth. Now we will be adding another wall in the height. So go back to the datum level, and here we will add a masonry wall this time. So here select the different option. So this is the footing foundation or footing wall. This is the masonry wall of 8-inch, and this is the masonry or generic wall of 8-inch. So I will be adding this one. Now I will make this wall above this one. So for this I will now change these things. So I will make this in height, because we will be drawing from the datum to the level number first, and we will connect this to the level 1. And now start drawing your wall. Zoom in this and pick the center precisely, and now for this as well, and now here also this. So, and now zoom out this, now zoom in this and pick the center, and now let's check in the 3D view. Zoom out this. So this is, you see, this is the retaining concrete wall we have added in the depth, and this is in the height. So this is the method through which you can add a wall in Autodesk Revit. And now in the last part of this tutorial, I will be adding another wall of the varying height. You see here, this wall have same height throughout, but I will be adding another wall of the varying or different elevation. So go back to the datum, and here I will add one more wall in this part. So go back to the wall, and here start adding wall. This wall have the same height as this one, but I will be changing this now. For this you have to go to the, I will go to the southern elevation. So from here select the south elevation, and here click on this, once click on this and then edit profile. So this is the correct option through which you can change the elevation. So I will decrease the height of this, and I will now delete this one, and I will draw with another type of wall, or you can pick any one of them. Let me try this one. This is a spline wall. So this is how you see, this is of the different elevation. Now hit OK and see your structure and the 3D default 3D. So we have changed the elevation of this wall. So this was the method that how you can change the elevation or the height of a wall, and how you can make a wall with varying elevation or varying height. So hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Take care.